What's up everybody, I am back and in this video I will unbox Lacoste white watch. And this one is actually a pretty normal watch, it's nothing special about this one, but I thought I will buy a normal watch so I can use daily. And I have done earlier unboxing of much special watches and big watches. If you are interested in big watches, I will do list and I will put the link down below in description so you can see them. But this one I thought it's not big watch and daily I can use it, so if you want to go out or go to work, it looks just normal, it's nothing really crazy like I have earlier my Nixie watch. So let's see what we have inside the box. And as first we have here the watch itself, obviously. And we have here also instruction manual in different languages. I don't know what this here, but I think something information. It's not really important stuff there. And we have here really squishy pillow. I don't know if it's made from leather or not, but it feels good, it's good quality, so yeah. And here we have the watch itself. And for the ones who are interested in this watch, I bought for 50 euro and it was around the holidays, so maybe the price is now different, so you must watch out for that. And the model number is LC2010762. I will also put down below in description the model number so you can find easy. Watch itself, it's made from rubber and diameter is 42 millimeters, so it's actually a normal watch, not small and not big. And it's also lightweight, it's about 56 grams, so it's actually nice for daily use. And yeah, only one downside is that it's actually white color and it gets really fast dirty, so if you want to have nice and clean, you must clean daily. So yeah, that's the only downside so far. And yeah, the origin is from quartz movement and it's normal size batteries and it's just waterproof, so I don't recommend to go and swim with this one. So other than that, I think I have said everything. If you have questions guys, let me know and I will answer. And other than that, thanks for watching guys, and I will show you now how it looks on wrist, so enjoy and I'll see you in the next video.